Oh my God, no way. Look at what has arrived today. The Porsche GT2RS. This is the first customer delivered car here in New South Wales. And I've requested that we have the car in its original wraps and all the stickers, because I'm crazy about that. I like to keep all these. And I wanted for the viewers to specifically unwrap the car myself. So this is it. What lies beneath is the GT2RS in our specification. Let's just take this in. Let's soak it all up with the wraps on. This is what Porsche Germany does. They deliver the cars worldwide with this thick wrapping on the car so the car stays protected, doesn't get damaged, but then enough space for the headlights to shine through when someone needs to drive it and move it around, and enough holes for the air inlet to keep the engine running. The wheels, obviously, they're not covered right now, and everything's protected. So I'm just excited. I don't know what to do. Where do we begin? Okay, we are greeted with one of the greatest spoilers on the automotive car market today. That's just insanely huge. Insane. We've got hole cutouts for the exhaust outlets there. And obviously this is a driver side, right-hand drive, Australia. So how about we start off by unveiling the driver's door. Oh, yep, there it is. We've got the interior. So we're pretty much hinting what we've spec'd. So, okay, let's just show you a little more. Red stitching, black leather, black Alcantara, so the complete leather option on the dashboard, on the doors. So that's the extended leather option with the red Alcantara, red roof lining, red seat belts, and yes, we do have racing harnesses spec'd. It's just, wow, it's really magnificent. We've also got the Weissach package, which is pretty much obvious, and a red sports chrono dial on the interior. Okay, now that I've unveiled this part of it, let's start taking all the wraps off. Actually, before we do that, let me unveil one other custom feature that we've got. It's personalized. And here it is on the door sill. Ta-da! My name in the door. Carbon fiber, illuminates, it's just insane. It's time to unveil the wrapping. Let's see what's underneath. Oh my God, I'm just too excited. Look at that. That's fat. Absolutely amazing. Okay, I'm overexcited doing all this. I'm noticing extra carbon fiber pieces. So I've got the carbon fiber option here on the triangle, which is a cool little feature. I've got the carbon fiber mirrors. So unveiling part 2 of the name and the door sill. Wow, that feature, it's just unbelievable. You can actually see the carbon fiber stripe, meaning the whole roof is carbon fiber, but the center is painted in the same color as the car. There's so many clips they have to undo to take this wrap off. It's so well thought. They've got little hooks, Velcro straps that we're unstrapping as well. The hooks as well that needs to be unhooked from beneath the car. We've managed to unveil a single side. It just looks so cool. Looks like a real beast. And here it all is. I present to you the Supercar Advocates GT2RS. This is Porsche motoring at its finest. Exactly how it left the factory. The engine bay that we all know, just all hidden, carbon fiber covers everywhere. Nothing personalized in here, that's for sure. But there it is, the GT2RS. All we have to wait for right now is the delivery day. But we've got to unveil the inside. So it's time to show you what the inside looks like. Before going on, as always, I love keeping all the paperwork and stickers that come with the car from the factory. So I've got a lot of these, so I'm retaining these. So let's unveil the seats. More Velcro. Ta-da! Here it is. Red stitching, Weissach RS in red, red Alcantara centers, and leather on the outside. Carbon fiber bucket seat. I'm so excited right now. Oh, and the roll cage at the back is also titanium. This is a really hot car. You just, oh, let me sit in the driver's seat right now. Okay, for the first time, I'm sat in my GT2RS and I've got the key. So the key looks like this. Although I have ordered, this is a custom order to have it painted in the same color as the car, but I've got another set that's also in red so it can match the interior of the car. I just wanted it to be different. So I've got the red sports chrono that we spoke about over here as well, and a few other little custom touches. What's a cool little thing is that we've got red stripes here where the automatic gear lever is. Yeah, let's plug it in. Let's see what this is like. Let me unwrap that steering wheel. Here it is. Yes. So 23 kilometers from factory. So that's what the factory deliver the cars with, because they road test these cars. And they give you these cars in transit mode. So right now it's low on petrol, low on battery charge, and the speed limit is only 35 kilometers an hour. So it's been limited, so you can't go and speed and someone can't drive the car around for you. Now let's switch it on. Ah, heaven. Porsche heaven. Yeah, this is, wow. Okay, let me tell you, I am very excited inside. I'm trying to refrain from jumping out of my clothes and going crazy. This is what Porsche engineering is all about, the GT2RS. And I don't know how else to explain, but just to show you exactly everything that you get in these cars when you unveil them. Wow. So over here we've got a PDK Sport button which you can press. Obviously it tightens up all the transmission timing, so it changes gears quicker. We've got the sports shocks, so the sport shocks become firmer for track purposes. We've got the ESC off, stability control, then we've got stability control and traction control off. So 700 horsepower going straight to those rear rims. Then we've got the exhaust valve opening button, which makes the car that loud. And then we've got the height adjustable suspension, so you can raise the height at the front so you can clear your driveway. If I touch the revs a little bit, ooh, sounds, yeah, it sounds amazing. All right, for now we'll turn it off and just soak all this in. There's more goodies in the front hood. Extra bits and pieces that the dealership has to install. So wiper arms over here. More plastic covers. It's all associated with the front lip. And when you look inside, we've got the race seat harnesses here. Here they are in a box. And the fire extinguisher as well at the bottom. Really, really cool. One last thing. This sitting here is a front spoiler. So they don't install that at the factory. They do that afterwards at the dealership, which is over here. And this is our GT2RS. And I'll see you in our next episode.